My last video on this Discord and bump reminder bot is outdated, so I am making a new one. As you noticed, I have already made a layout here. But first, create a bump channel. This is gonna be very important. Now, we will be creating a separate bump ping. This is extremely important, otherwise, people will randomly get pings from the bot. Do just as I did. I'm just making it look a tad more aesthetic, you can do the same if you want. Just make sure this role doesn't have any dangerous perms. Now, I will show what perms there should be in the bump channel. I made a mistake here. For everyone role, keep the view channel perm neutral. Don't deny it. I will be changing it later in this video. Now for bump ping role, give that role view channel perm. As for verify role, which is members role, remove the view channel perm. Now you just have to follow me because I have no idea what to say. After watching that torture, let's move on. We will be copying this layout and this layout will be available in my server's Discord channels. Now we are in Discord. Just log in and go to servers. I will be adding this website link in my video's bio. Now make sure you select the right server here if you own multiple servers. Here you just need to fill out some details, it's super easy. You don't need to copy mine since your server must be very different. If you don't know what tags are, they're basically topics or subtopics on what your server is about. For example, gaming server, mental health server, teaching server, and so on. When people are searching for servers on Discord, they type these keyword tags and a bunch of servers pop up. When you are typing these tags, make sure to use popular tags. So, that way more people can join you. If you want to know what popular tags are, maybe you can search that on Google and use AI. Also, you can only write 5 tags. Now, I have just pasted my description. You can use my description if you want, but if you are using yours, then make sure it is attractive and pretty. Now a Discord bump bot will join us. I am just gonna speed this up because it's boring. Now it's time to give perm to that bot in the bump channel. Let's move on. I will run a few commands for this bot and show you how it works. We need to first generate a permanent invite link. This command will show you all the commands here. This is to generate that invite link. As you can see, the server is under review. That is going to take 1 day. That also means the bump command won't work now. And it didn't work. We will see you again after 1 day when the server is verified. After 1 day, this server is verified. Some servers might take time, so don't panic. I will show you what to do after your server is verified. We will check if the bump command works. I see, so first we need to make our server public. I will show you how to do that. You might have noticed that this option wasn't available when the server was under review. Now we will try bumping the server. And this time it worked. I will also show you the permanent invite link that Discord automatically created. Now don't click out just yet. I will show you how to set up Bump Reminder aka FiboBot. You can either go to its website or invite that bot from my server. The second method is easy. I am trying not to skip anything so you can watch the whole thing on how I set up bots. The bot is in the server. The first thing we will be doing here is giving the bot all the perms in the Bump channel to function. The second is, we need to drag Bump Reminder Bot above the Bump Ping role in the server settings so it can ping Bump role. Now we will simply add the description. You will find this description in my server's Discord channels. If you want it, just join my Discord server. Now, it's time to add the ping role. We will add the Bump Ping role here. That is it. All there's left is to test the bot. It worked. The Bump Reminder Bot also works. I will give you an idea here. Add that Bump Ping role and Ping role so people can pick whatever role they want. The most important thing about running a server is, never ping your members unless there's a good reason. People hate unnecessary pings. That's why I personally feel as though that Chat Revive Ping role is the dumbest role. If your members are not active, then don't force them. Anyway, back to the topic. You can do this and voila. Members can pick whatever pings they want to get. So, that's one idea I wanted to give you. Now, I will show you how to delete your server from Discord. Click that edit option. Now go to the bottom and click delete server. But, please be careful. It takes very long time to get your server verified. Anyway, I tried my best to make the simplest video there is on YouTube about this topic. If you like this video, hit like and subscribe button. We are so close to reaching 4,000 subscribers. I hope you'll continue to show me the support.